trade boosters, this is a very nice strategy from our QQE mod and our super trend strategy. Now it involves just two rules, which I'm going to walk you guys through just now. Number one, you want to wait for a sell or buy signal from your super trend strategy as such. As you can see, we had a nice sell signal right here. And our second confirmation is with our QQ mod. All right, right here, as you can see, that was a nice sell. That was a nice sell right there. And we had a buy signal right there. And our QQE mod gave us a signal as well. But we wouldn't take this trade because our buy signal came after our QQE mod. All right, so we need to make sure to take our buy signal after. We need to make sure to take our trade after the super trend has given us a signal and our QQE mod prints later. So as you can see, we had a buy signal right here and our QQE mod has printed later. That was a simple trade. That was right here. That was a simple trade. Let's look for another signal. This was a beautiful one. Stop loss definitely over the high right there, and you can see that was a winning trade. So this combination does work together. Try it out, let me know what you think, and yeah man, I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you in the next one.